This 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL U-Dinette Slide, rear living theater seats as a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 4, skylight, air conditioning, slide-out, TV, auxiliary battery, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL U-Dinette Slide, rear living theater seats is 6,174 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.